Hello guys, today in this particular video I'll be explaining division by 5, particularly looking at numbers from 30 divided by 5 to 40 divided by 5. So stay tuned till the end of the video. I have some few tasks for you to also try to see how you are progressing, Thank you. For those of you that are not subscribed to my channel, I'm saying click on that subscription button for you to get great content like this and more. So let's jump right into it. So the first one, number 1, is 30 divided by 5. Now for 30 divided by 5, what we need to do here is just to strike out the 0, and we look at this particular number 3 here. We just add it to itself. 3 plus 3 gives us what? 6. And that is our answer. So we just say 3 plus 3 gives us what? 6. And that's our answer. So that's the simple trick for what 30 divided by 5 gives us 6. So the second one is 31 divided by 5. Now for 31 divided by 5, we're going to add this first digit to itself, then we add the second digit also to itself. So 1 plus 1 gives us 2, and we have 3 plus 3 that gives us what? 6. So mind you, 30 divided by 5 gives us what? 6 already. Now 31, meaning we have 30 with a remainder of what? 1. So if we're dividing 30 by 5, we have 6, and we divide the remainder by 5, we're going to get what? 2. So this is going to give us what? 6.2. So what I mean is 30 divided by 5, and we have what? A plus 1 divided by 5. That is for what? 31 divided by 5. So it gives us what? 6.2. Nice. So let's discuss this third one. So in the third one, I'm going to just scale up a bit. 34 divided by 5. Now for 34 divided by 5, we're adding 4 to itself, and we're adding also 3 to itself. So it gives us 6. So 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 gives us 8. 3 plus 3 gives us 6. So we have 6.8 as our answer. Now the reason why we're having the point here is because we have 30 divided by 5 gave us a whole number, right? Gave us 6. Now any other number that is tied to it would give us a decimal point, because this number is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. 1 is less than 5, right? So 4 divided by 5. For those of you that watched the first video I did on division by 5, you know that yes, we did a 4 by 5. That is 4 divided by 5 up there. I'm writing it up there, and I said since 4 cannot divide 5, we have a 0 with a point, and we add this 4 to itself. So 4 plus 4 gives us what? 8. So you can check. You can use your calculator or use the long division method to also check. I did a particular video and I did long division on this also. All right. So, okay. So number 4 is 35. 35 divided by 5. Now for 35 divided by 5, what we're going to do here is to add 5 to itself and also add 3 to itself. So 5 plus 5 gives us 10. So I'm going to write 10 here. All right. 5 plus 5 gives us 10. Right. So we write 0 and carry 1. Right. Write 0 and carry 1. Keep that one aside. Now 3 plus 3 gives us what? 6. 6 plus the 1 outside gives us what? 7. So this is 7.0. 7.0. I repeat, I said 5 plus 5 gives us what? 10. You write 0 and carry what? 1. Carry this 1. Then you add your 3. 3 plus 3. 3 plus what? 3 is equal to 6. 6 plus the 1 outside. 6 plus 1 is equal to what? 7. So that's how I got this 7. So I have 7.0. Now, number 5 now. Number 5 is 36. 36 divided by 5. For 36 divided by 5, what we're going to do is to say we add 6 to itself and we add also 5 to itself. So 6 plus 6 gives us what? 12. So let me write 12 here. So what do we do to 12? We write 2 and pick 1. So I'm going to write 2 and pick what? 1. All right. So 3 plus 3 is what? 6. 6 plus that 1 gives us what? 7. So we have 7.2 as our answer. So instead of saying, how many times does 5 goes into 36 and all that long jamborees? So number 6. Now for number 6 is as beautiful as saying, let me so, 39. 39 divided by 5. This is nice. Now for 39 divided by 5, what do? We add 9 to itself and we add also 3 to itself. So 9 plus 9 gives us what? 18. So what do? We write 8 and pick 1 or keep 1 to ourselves. 3 plus 3 is what? Is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So we're having 7.8 as our answer. So what is your task here? Your task here is to solve. You can see the first part here, I didn't solve 32. So 32 divided by 5 is what you're going to do. This is the first one. The second one you're going to do for me is there's no 33 also, so 33 divided by 5. The third one is 37 divided by 5. The fourth one is 38 divided by 5. And finally 40 divided by 5. Finally 40 divided by 5. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.